Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to delete the transaction history on Capitec application. To be honest, it is very easy and simple. You just have to go into this website. I will leave the link in the description. Before proceeding, I want to tell you that it will only delete your transaction history. Your personal information won't be deleted. For example, your ID number, email address, basic contact information or account information. But the topic is we only want to delete the transaction history. So let's proceed. You have to swipe down a bit. From here you have to select the desired checkbox if you are a retail client or business client or merchant service. After selecting the correct checkbox, you have to enter your name. For example, I have entered my first name and last name. Then you have to enter the ID or passport number. After that, you have to type in your correct mobile number. After that, you have to input your email address with which you have created Capitec bank account. After that, you will see an information to be deleted box. Here you will enter the information about what kind of information you want to be deleted. For example, I will enter I want my transaction history deleted. And then you have to enter the reason for why you want to delete your transaction history. For example, I will enter I want it deleted because I want to make it private. You can also enter any other reason. And after that, you have to just click the submit button. After that, Capitec will receive your request and they will process it. And it will take 1 to 2 business days to process your request. And congratulations, your information has been deleted. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.